A professor at the Southern Baptist Theological Seminary in Louisville, Kentucky, was the architect behind a resolution at this year's annual Southern Baptist Convention meeting that called on the Supreme Court to overturn Obergefell versus Hodges, the case that legalized gay marriage in 2015. I'm Alex Quisto, covering politics and health for the Lexington Herald-Leader, and last month I talked with Andrew Walker, professor of Christian ethics and public theology at the flagship Southern Baptist Seminary here in Kentucky. Walker, who chairs the SBC's Resolutions Committee, helped write the most controversial resolution at this year's annual convention in Dallas, called, quote, "On Restoring Moral Clarity Through God's Design for Gender, Marriage, and the Family." The resolution states Obergefell and other policies affirming gay and transgender people's rights, quote, "deny the biological reality of male and female, are legal fictions, undermine the truth of God's design, and lead to social confusion and injustice, and defy God's design for marriage and family." There is no vocal opposition to the resolution by many of the more than 11,000 SBC members gathered, and it was passed unanimously. Though it might sound controversial outside Southern Baptist circles, among Southern Baptists, Walker told me the drive to overturn gay marriage and call on states to push back on laws affirming trans people's rights are not controversial. Though it largely serves as a symbolic purpose, Walker described it as a crucial piece of a larger, coordinated coalition to overturn Obergefell, similar to how conservatives mobilized brick by brick for years to overturn Roe v. Wade in 2022, which had secured the right to abortion for nearly 50 years. And there's already signs of this coordinated campaign playing out. For example, attorneys for Kim Davis, the former Kentucky county clerk who refused to issue marriage licenses to gay couples in 2015 after the Supreme Court's decision, are still working to get her case back before the High Court with the same goal of overturning the right to gay marriage. In the last decade, Davis has been ordered by a jury and a judge to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars in damages, but she has continued fighting despite losing all her appeals. Though legal experts have told me Davis's case is too procedurally flawed to move the needle on Obergefell, her attorneys are charging ahead, buoyed by the Supreme Court's decisions this term, including their ruling upholding state bans on gender-affirming health care for trans youth. Experts still think it's a long shot that the current court will overturn Obergefell, but Christian conservatives like Walker are playing the long game. I'm Alex Quisto. Thanks for watching.